So I just want to show you what I picked up from Shein, and I have a few orders in here. Oh, I can see one there. Let me just get that one out. Ah, okay, so this is a hair clip, and I liked it because it's got the black and white checkered design on it. So I just got that. And let's get out box number 1, I think. So let me get this open and show you what's inside. Oh, this is it. This is my new casserole dish. No, sorry, not casserole dish. This is just an enamel saucepan, actually. And I just liked it because it reminded me of Mackenzie's Child, and I love the crystal lid. And I can't afford a Mackenzie's Child because I don't know if you've checked what the prices are, but they're very expensive. So this is a 24 centimetre one. And yeah, I just mainly use these anyway for boiling, and yeah, so it won't be used for anything more than that. But I just love the design. I just think it would look very pretty in the kitchen. So it is a little bit different from the picture, and I thought so because I looked at this picture, I was like, and I was confused. I thought, because obviously with these Shein orders, they don't come very quickly, they take a few weeks to deliver. So I was a bit confused because I thought to myself, you know, it looks a little bit different from what I ordered, and now I've seen what I've ordered, it is a little bit different, and this is why I liked this one. So let me get this open. Yeah, so it has got the crystal. It's got the like polka dot with the blue little flowers, and I really liked that. And I love the fact that it's got the gold rim. And this is actually quite a larger size, bigger than I thought. So yeah, that's the 24 centimeters, and that's just going to be great when I'm boiling my potatoes. And yeah, I really like this. I think it just looks pretty. And anything that just makes me happy in the kitchen, yeah, is a good thing. So this is my next one, and this one is a little bit smaller. It's a 22 centimetre, so I can't wait to get this one open. So this one is 22 centimetres. It's a 4.5 litre, and yeah, so you can use it on all of these. So it's an enamel pot. And yeah, I can't wait to get this open. I just think that looks beautiful already. And I think this is the one. They show different ones because there was 2 different types I could have got, and that was the other design. But I preferred the floral design, this one. It looks like a little pretty garden, so I got that one. Yeah, so this is it. So as you can see, it's got that lovely floral design. It's got the little gold rim. It's got the gold handles, and the lid is a lovely see-through. So that's nice, it's see-through. It's got the little steam hole, and yeah, it's got this as a lid. I don't know how hot that's going to get, but yeah, I just think it looks very pretty and very beautiful. So yeah, so I think it's time to open up another package from Shein. Yeah, so I hope you're enjoying all of the items. And these are the new utensils, because I want everything kind of matching in the kitchen, and I didn't get any gold and white utensils. So I mean, not utensils, cutlery. This is my cutlery, and I wanted white and gold because it matches the kitchen, because that's my kind of decor, and I haven't got any white and gold cutlery. So I ordered these, and they were, you know, reasonably priced. And yeah, I think this is actually for 6 people. And you get 5, so there's 30 pieces in here, and you get the fork, the knife, the spoon, the teaspoon, and you also get cake forks as well. So let me get this open. Okay, so they look like this. So these are your cake forks, your teaspoons, your forks, your large spoons, and your knives. They're all individually wrapped. I'm just going to open one and I'm going to show you close up what that looks like. This is not rubber. This is what I thought it was, like my black and gold ones, but it isn't. It's actually kind of like a metal, I don't know, it looks like it's part of the spoon. It's not like something taped on it. So let's get it open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of like an antique gold, And yeah, and this is got some kind of coating. This is the only thing I'm worried about, especially when you're cleaning it. So you can't be abrasive with this. You really need to wash them just with soapy warm water, very gentle with a sponge, because I feel like that gold will scratch off in time if you're using something very abrasive on there. But if you do keep them in good condition, I think that they would last. But yeah, that's what they look like. And you can see them when I put them in my cutlery drawer. But I'm very happy. I mean, they're not the best. They're not the heavy, you know, you don't expect quality. These are not the best, but for the price, I'm not going to complain because they weren't that expensive. I think at the end of this, I probably will leave prices and links if I can below. So check out that description box, and you can see how much everything costs. And if you're interested in things like this, they do all these different designs. Very, you know, enamels very good as well to keep clean. So it's up to you. But I will leave those links down, and you can tell me. And if you are interested, just click those links and it will take you straight to the product. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, then please do so, because I do have some fabulous ideas, and also I will be doing more come shop with me. So I hope to see you all again in another video.